Dia, can you read the fourth question, A part? Yeah. Can you?
According to the rigidity of plant, we can divide plants into two groups. A, plant with woody stems. B, plants with non-woody stems.
Yeah. So, the first question is, out of about two types of plants, in which type of plant contains the highest moisture content? What is the answer there?
Woody plant.
In woody plants, right? So write an example for, you said woody plant. I sure about it. In which type of plant contains the highest moisture content? Is it in the woody stem, or plant with woody stem, or non-woody stem? Yeah?
Non-woody stem.
Non-woody stem. Okay, plants with non-woody stem is the answer it should come. So let's see what is the example. Write an example for above what you mentioned. Okay, what is the example for non-woody stem plants? Yeah, what are the non-woody stem plants?
Grass, balsam.
Good. Grass, balsam. What is more, you know? Okay, so this is the non-woody plant. Next, this is how you can see the woody plants. Woody plants are where we cut them to get woods. Okay, here we are not using this stem of these plants as a wood. We can't make a fire from these woods because there is more moisture containing. Moisture means water. There is more water content in these plants. But here, these plants has they doesn't have more moisture content because their outer surface has become dried. அது மேற்பரப்பு எப்படி இருக்குதுன்னா காஞ்சு போயிடுது. You can see the fractures on this stem. Okay, the outer part of the stem plant is become fractured because of the lack of water. But here you can't see any fractures. It is always with the high moisture. So the non-woody plants are balsam, small shrubs, okay, the grass, all are having non-woody stems. Okay, so that would be the answer here. Most probably the best answer is the answer given to you in the book. Balsam. Right. Okay, in other plants, what is the material content in plant stem for its mechanical strength? In other plant mean in plants with woody stem. Okay, so plant with woody stem, they are asking what is the material content in plant stem for its mechanical strength? Which is giving the mechanical strength? Sorry?
Cellulose, lignin.
Cellulose and lignin. Okay, so you want to know here the two things. Cellulose and lignin. Regarding the, we are classifying these two, the plants with the woody stem and plants with non-woody stem, based on the moisture content, and next about their mechanical strength. So you know the stem, தண்டு தான் directா வச்சுக்கொள்றோம் இல்லையா? Stem roots என்ன செய்யும்? It would support the supplying the nutrients and minerals to all the plants. So it is taking the root absorption through the soil. It would absorb the minerals and water from their soil and supply to all over the plant. But the stem is the one maintains the erectness of the plant. நேரா வெச்சுக்கொள்றதுக்கு help பண்றது plant the stem தான். So based on their strength, there are two types of plant. Okay, with woody stem and non-woody stem. So here, and I said that based on the woody stem plants, this mechanical strength is given by the cellulose and lignin. If these two materials are present there, we call that plants as woody plant. Okay, so in this one, you can see that they have high amount of cellulose and lignin that gives support and strength for the stem to be erect. But here, if you go through a balsam plant, they can't be erect. கண்டிக்கிற தானே அது எப்பவுமே நேரா ஈக்காது இவ்வளவு ஸ்ட்ராங்கும் இல்லை உடைச்சிட்டு சுருக்கடைஞ்சு விடும் if you try to pinch okay if you can quickly pluck also you can quickly break them because they are not having such strong materials like cellulose and lignin. Okay. But they have more water content in them. Okay, to keep them erect. Yeah, so keep remember that these woody plants are having cellulose and lignin. Yes, done. Cellulose and lignin, and they have low water percentage. Low water percentage to keep the stem erect. Keep the stem erect. Right? So when you come to a plant with non-woody stem, they are having high water content inside the plant. So we can call high highest moisture or high water content. Them to keep them erect and alive. Okay, but there is not much strength, highly strength like a woody stem, like the mango tree, rambutan. Okay, all the other trees comes into this. Even the coconut tree also have a woody plant. Okay, to keep the stem erect. Yes, then. So write an example for about 3. You mentioned type of plant. So here you have mentioned about the plants with woody stem. So what are the examples? Tell me, Khalid, one example for woody plants.
Mango.
Mango. Okay, good. Another one? Yes, Khalid, can you tell me one example for woody plants? Yes, I can't hear you. Okay, so you can say rambutan. Okay, coconut I said. A jack. Okay, like that.